done angles of elevation. Now we're going to do angles of depression. Now depression means to look down, and this is usually when you're above something and you're looking down. So my angle of depression, I've got a plane here because a plane is usually in the sky. And again, I'm going to have a line that goes out from the horizontal. So it goes out from the plane all the way along at horizontal. So that needs to be in there first. Now if you imagine you're the pilot and you decide to look down like this, that angle that you make as you look down with your eyes, that's the angle of depression. So if you spotted an object down here, that would be his angle of depression. So let's just mark that, and you can see that it will make a right angled triangle here. So this bit here, this is my angle of depression. And we can use this to solve various problems, which we're going to do next. We're going to look at a plane coming into land, so angle of depression. So let's look at a problem. A plane wishes to descend to an airport on a steady angle of 4 degrees. The plane is cruising at an altitude of 9,200 meters. How far away from the airport should it start its descent? So this is actually about right. Planes come in at about 4 degrees. So what we're going to do is we're going to think about the pilot, and we're going to draw a horizontal along here. And then we're going to think about it wants to come down like this, very, very steadily at 4 degrees. We hope it's very steady 4 degrees. So it's obviously not to scale. This here is my right angle. Again, doesn't quite look like it. So this here is my right angle, and this is my angle of depression, which is 4 degrees. Now actually, what I tend to do is to think about this here as my right angle, because I'm now this distance away from the ground. So here we are, all the way along from the ground here, and here's my right angle. This is 86, and we know that this distance is 9,200. Is 9,200 meters in the air, and I want to know how far away does he need to begin his descent. I'm not looking for this one. That's the distance he's going to cover as he comes down into land. But how far away from the airport is the distance horizontally? So again, let's look at this. We've got 86, 92, and we've got this one, which is x. So from this angle, we've got opposite and adjacent. So we're going to pick tan. Let's do the working out in a different colour. So I'm going to say that tan 86 equals opposite, which is x, divided by adjacent, which is 9,200. So x equals 9,200 tan 86 . Let's go to my calculator because I can't do that without a calculator. So 9,200 times tan 86 gives me this answer here, which is in meters, because all my calculations are in meters, but I want to give my answer in kilometers. So I'm just going to divide that by 1,000. And it gives me 131.5, so roughly 132 kilometers away from the airport we need to begin our descent, which is about right.